What's up, everybody on YouTube? AJ Russ here, back with another video, and today I'll be showing y'all how to make Oreo pancakes. So today I'll just be quickly showing y'all how to make it with a box method. If y'all want me to show y'all how to make pancakes from scratch, I'll make a video on that separately. But yeah, I mean, obviously you can get together, you know, like your flour, your baking powder, sugar, all of the needed substances to make pancakes from scratch. But just for time purposes in that situation, I'm just gonna be making it from the box method today. So the box method that I'll be using is the Aunt Jemima buttermilk pancake mix. I use the buttermilk because like it helps provide thicker pancakes. If you can't find that, it'll soon to be called Pearl Milling Company, so it won't be Aunt Jemima anymore. So you can use that, or even Hunger Jack. I don't recommend Biscuit because it doesn't work as well when making Oreo pancakes, but yeah, definitely Aunt Jemima mix or Hunger Jack mix works the best when trying to make Oreo pancakes. When putting the mix in a bowl, I usually just use an eye test. I don't usually use cups or anything to measure out how much mix I want to use. If you want to do that, you can look at the box and determine how many pancakes you want to make, but usually I make 5, so I just follow my own process and just eye it out and see how much mix I think will be enough, and then just put the rest of the substances in there. So after I put the mix in the bowl, the amount that I want inside, I put 2 eggs in there, so it'll help with the thickness of the pancake. Then I put some milk and buttermilk, but you don't want to put too much because, like I said, you don't want that soupy consistency. You want the thick consistency with lumps. Then I also put vanilla extract in the mix, and then I melted some butter, about a ½ cup of butter, and then I put that in. I mix those together until I get that lumping consistency where it's not soupy but not too thick, just right. Once you're at the consistency that you want it to be at, you'll then add some Oreo crumbs to it. In order to make that, I usually put 2 Oreos in a Ziploc bag and then smush them with a bowl. You can smush it with anything, it doesn't matter. But yeah, I smush it in a bowl, and then I put like a ½ cup worth of it into the mix, and I mix it together. And it shouldn't mess up the consistency if you want, but if you want it to be thicker, or if you feel like it's messing up the consistency, I guess you could add more mix or whatever you're using. But that's what I recommend doing. And then if you want to put more Oreo crumbs as you're making the pancakes, you can do that, but that's what I usually do. And then I let it sit for a little bit. So right before I actually start cooking the pancakes, I like to separate some Oreos so I know which ones I want to put on the pan, and then you know which ones I want to like make as Oreo pieces. So basically it's 12 in total. The 2 I told y'all about before that I put in the mix, which are the smushed Oreos basically. Then I separate 5. Those are the ones that I'm gonna put on the pan for the pancakes, either inside or outside on top of the pancake. And then I also have 5 more that I like separate so that I can put them like on the pancake as well on the outside, so it'll be like separated kind of, as you can see right here. So yeah, so it's 12 in total. Then after that, you basically just repeat the process for each pancake. For myself, like I told you earlier, I make 5 pancakes in total, so I use this method for 3 out of the 5 pancakes. The other 2 pancakes, I put the Oreo inside basically. So it's basically the same thing. You put your margarine or whatever on the pan, and for me, I put the Oreo pieces first for these 2 pancakes that I'm talking about, not the other 3. For these 2 pancakes, I put the Oreo pieces on there, and then I put the batter on there, and I put the Oreo inside. So it's a little different from the other 3. And then put the Oreo pieces on top of that batter as well, and just let it cook normally. And I like to have 2 like that, just so it can be like a little different, but at the same time turn out for a great and nice, wonderful taste. A tip that I also discovered making pancakes, if you want to keep them warm while you're making the other ones, I recommend like putting it on a tray with foil and sticking it in the oven like at a temperature of 200, so the pancakes will stay at a good temperature. And then when you're ready to eat them and put them on a plate, just pull them out and turn the oven off. So that's what I usually do to keep them warm. So after you make the desired amount of pancakes that you want, that's pretty much it. You know, always the kitchen cleanup part, that's probably like the hardest process, but after you do that, you'll be good. And one thing I almost forgot to leave off, but I couldn't leave y'all hanging with that. So basically I use icing as well on mine, just to, you know, enhance it, of course, and presentation wise and also taste wise, because it's amazing. I use Pillsbury sugar-free frosting, and you can get that at Walmart or any, I guess, major grocery store. I get that, and I I put that with the leftover cookie crumbs, Oreo cookie crumbs that I have, and I put that in a bowl, and I put it in the microwave, let it warm up a little bit, and then it's melted, and then I just put it on top of the pancakes, and it looks like icing. So it makes it look perfect, honestly. So that's pretty much the tip I can use. But if you don't want icing on yours, I guess you can just eat it like that, how it is, and then with syrup. I still eat it with syrup. Anyways, that's why I'm telling y'all guys, if you're gonna make this, I mean, make sure you good, because this is definitely a high calorie meal, but it tastes amazing. All right, guys. So here are the Oreo pancakes complete. Looks amazing. You know I'm about to go in for sure. Hopefully y'all enjoyed the tutorial. I can make some more tutorials about how to make different flavor of pancakes if y'all want to. And also, these aren't the only type of videos I'm gonna be making. I just wanted to share this recipe of pancakes I make, because I love making these. For the past year I've been making them. So yeah, but I have a video. One of my next upcoming videos will be like where I've been, because it's been a while since I uploaded, obviously, and I look different for sure. So I'll have all that stuff to explain to you. But expect stuff like this, maybe stuff about basketball for sure. Even Marvel content. I love the MCU and Marvel movies and the Marvel shows, of course. So talking about stuff like that, sneakers, all that stuff, lifestyle type of thing. So yeah, for sure. So I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and at Twitter at SwaggyRuss. Swaggy, just the swag with 2 G's and then a Y and an RUSS. And then yeah, that's pretty much it. So hope y'all enjoyed the video. Hope y'all are doing well, staying safe, and yeah, have a good one.